Today we're doing an unboxing of 1 pound of dubia roaches from dubiadeli.com. Today is May 21st, 2022, and I noticed most of the videos on here are ages old, so this is fresh. We just got this in the mail today, and this is what it looks like inside. I'm going to pause the video, and we're going to go open this in the crate that they're going to go in. But you can see them guys in there. See them a second. We bought the large, I believe. You can hear them. You hear them? All right, we'll be right back. Like your shadow, see where? All right. Okay. Looks like it's a burlap sack. It's a pretty good size. There's a lot of bugs in there. They staple it shut, it appears. Pretty nice design. So let's go ahead and open this. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Oh.
Let's see what we got. Welcome home, guys.
They look white and orange.
Nicely, nicely.
Well, it's still kind of.
Some of them are dead.
They got them packed in here pretty good. That's awesome. Can you grab me a pair of scissors now?
No.
That's a big one. That's a big girl right there.
Is it female?
Yeah, because her wings are half size. The male's wings are huge. They're like the full length. These are definitely adults, though. Look at that. That's a big girl. Wow, man.
Dad, some of them were dead when they came out.
Well, I mean, you'll have that. As long as it's not a lot of the population, I'm happy. These guys were stellar in price.
Look at that one. It's
10%.
super skinny. Why are they super
It's
skinny?
acceptable.
So look at that male.
That's a female.
That's a female?
Yeah.
Yeah,
She's ready to lay some eggs.
She's gonna be a queen.
I don't plan to reuse this sack. I know you probably could, but
I don't want to.
I can't name anything that I would ever put in a used roach bag. I'm not one of those people to sell it at a yard sale for $0.25 and not say anything.
Oh, look at these.
Look at that, guys. Yeah, there's some dead ones in there, guys, but look at that big man. Look at that big guy right there. It's a male. Look at that big wings. All right, let's dump them out.
Oh, there's some on the bag. Some climbing all over. And we do have extra egg cartons. Don't touch the roaches. It's kind of hard. Oh.
Just so you got a few.
It's hot right here. How are you touching these
There's
things?
a bunch inside the bag too, so you're aware.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see them. You don't want to cut that part.
That's a big
That's
boy.
a big boy.
He's stuck.
That one's a dead one, I'm pretty sure.
Can I get some leaves?
We're gonna have happy dragons.
There's two guys in this. Let me check. Looks like we got them all.
Yeah, I'd say it's empty. Where's my trash can? It's right over there. It's all over there. I don't know. I'm not going to be mad about those little bit of dead ones, but I'm going to say we got a whole bunch of them.
Look at all those in the container.
I don't know about thousands, though.
Maybe I misunderstood the metric.
And there's a lot, though. And that's a lot. And they're big.
Can I hold one of them?
Yeah, pick it up. They don't have any way to hurt you. They can't bite you. They can't.
Yeah. hold one?
Huh?
That was a grabbing one.
No. Please don't.
Totally not gonna hurt you.
Well, I would say we got a few roaches.
I'm happy. Better than the last batch we got from the local guy. I mean, there's some dead ones though. I mean, maybe we should talk to him, but